Hey guys, what is up? I'm back again with another video. So as you guys can see in the title, I'm just going to be doing like a get ready mini tutorial. So I am doing a voiceover. I know. So this combination is a look that I did a long time ago, like in 2019 I want to say. And as soon as I saw ILUVSARAHII's the newest video that she posted from LIPSTICKNICK, she did her makeup and she added these rhinestones, and I wanted to recreate that. So that's what I just did. I did my look. I didn't do like a winged out eyeshadow look. I did like more like a rounded cut crease. I'll insert a picture right here of what I'm talking about, but that was in 2019. So but yeah, you guys, I just hope you guys love it. I am obsessed. Before you guys head into this tutorial, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button down below, hit the bell to get notified every time I post, and give me a like. If you guys want to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. We are jumping right in. Okay, so taking volume 2, the Norvina volume 2 palette, and kind of winging it out. I was mapping it out, but then I decided I needed to put like some tape. So these are the e.l.f. tapes. I think they're like shields or something. I forgot. But you could get them at Target, I believe. Yeah, they're amazing if you want a crisp, eyeshadow. Like, it's so bomb. And then I'm going to be taking the Norvina volume 1 palette, and I'm taking the shade B4. And it's just such a pretty deep purple. So I don't know if I told you the first one was C4 from the volume 2. So I'm taking the volume 2 and the shade is D3 and just kind of like blending that out. You're going to have to go back and forth because these colors are really hard to blend. Now I'm going with B5 from volume 2 palette and just blending that out and just extending my eyeshadow and going in with the volume 1, going in with the color B4. And just blend that out, and then I'm gonna go in with D3. I didn't find like a shade that I could get like a lighter pink, so I'm just blending that out. And these shades are really hard, like I said, so just go back and forth. Right there I wasn't really worried because I'm gonna cut the crease. So yeah, so you see it didn't really show, so I just cut the crease. And I'm taking the color A1 from the Norvina 2 palette. It's just so pretty, so gorgeous. And I'm going in with the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde palette, and I'm just going to go in with that purple shade. It's so pretty, guys. It's such a pretty shade. And then I'm going to go in with, oh, this one's my favorite shade, I think. This is D1 from the Norvina 2 palette. It is so freaking pigmented, so gorgeous, so creamy. I am obsessed. So then after I do that, I'm just going back and forth till I was happy, and going in with C4 from volume 2 palette, and then yeah, and then we're done. So taking the rhinestones, because I am putting rhinestones, and I got these from Amazon. Just look up nail rhinestones or something like that. So yeah, just applying them where she had them, and then I added I think one more because I was like, wait, I wanted another one. So taking the Inglot liner, gel liner number 77, and creating a kind of like a thin wing or something, not so thin, but yeah. But so then I'm gonna be taking the lashes from Lava Lashes in the style Heartbreaker. Very pretty. Check them out. I have them down below. I love how it came out. I feel super freaking cute. I really hope you guys do like it, and if you guys recreate it, make sure you guys tag me because I would love to shout you guys out on my IG. So I know I'm gonna get asked about my lips, so I am wearing MAC's Chestnut lip liner. This lip liner is just so beautiful, you guys. It's a deep brown. If you guys apply it in the waterline with a nice smoked out eyeshadow, woo girl, this is a bomb. Okay, so I did use Galactic's lip paint. Her liquid matte lipsticks are just, oh my god, chef's kiss, because it is bomb. Like, they're so comfortable. You don't feel it on your lips. They're matte, but they're not going to be drying matte. You know, they're very comfortable. I'll give you guys like a little swatch of it. It is so pretty. So for the rhinestones, I use these rhinestones right here. I just got them on Amazon. I just looked up like nail rhinestones, something like that. And they come with a million. Like, I'm never going to use these all, you know. I love Lava Lashes. Like, they are just so sweet. They restocked me up. Like, how sweet is that? Like, super sweet. Super sweet. So I used their Lava Lashes, and these are it right here. Very cute, you guys. I am obsessed. I use the shade I used the lashes in Heartbreaker, like Heartbreaker. I think it was the perfect lash for this eye look because it's not like too overpowering. It's not going to be super big, but it is nice and fluffy. You guys can see it's so cute. But yeah, you guys, I hope you guys liked my little mini tutorial. I wanted to do this like fun look once I saw ILUVSARAHI. So I hope you guys like it. Before you guys head out of my tutorial, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button down below. Hit the bell to get notified every time I post, and give me a like. That just helps your girl out. So period. So I'm going to leave you guys off with a huge kiss. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you again in my next tutorial. Bye guys.